In this website, you can earn money easily doing social media tasks. First, you have to make an account there. Here you can see how much you will get per task. It takes a couple of seconds to complete each task, so you can make easy money from there. Click on the registration button. Enter your email and password. Click Exec here after agree the terms and condition and click Register. Now we have to add our own social media account, so click on Settings. In here you have to add your social media account. The more accounts you add, the more work you will get. In your mail you will get a mail like this. Now I'm in my own account. If you turn on notification, you will hear sound when new tasks appear. Click Allow button if anything show like that. Now click on Settings to add new social media account. I previously added account there, but I'm doing it again to show you step by step. It's better to use alternative social media account. My suggestion is don't add real account there. Copy the word. Then go to Twitter and add the word in your bio. Pass the word and click Save. Click Next step. Copy the profile link and paste in the box, then click Bind. You have to comment on the video to add YouTube account. Pass the copied word in the comment section. You must have Telegram account installed in your PC or mobile. Copy the username and search in Telegram. Click on Start. Then click on Then link. Enter your login email and password what you used to open account there. Then click blue button. Now go back to VK target page and refresh. Click on Reddit. Copy the word. Then go to the Reddit and click on the username, then click User Settings. Click Profile. Paste the word in the About box. Click Next Step. After, then go to your profile and copy the link. Paste the link you have copied and click Bind. You can see that popular social media account added successfully. Also look down at all the account tick mark given. If not, then give the tick mark by clicking on the box. Now click on the Available tab. You can see that there have 2 tasks available. Click on the highlighted word to complete the task. In this task, have to give like on that post. Now you have to click check button for confirmation. Task done. Isn't it so easy? Here you can see your daily, weekly, and all-time earning. Do you hear a sound? You will hear a sound like that when new tasks come. Now I'm going to show you my withdrawal proof. I'm not getting time to work there, but if you give time, you can earn good amount of money every week. You have to join in that group. Click follow. Then click check. Every task you have to do like that. For withdraw money, you have to click withdraw button. You can use any one of them to withdraw your money. If you have account, then give your wallet number in the box. Then click on the withdraw money button. Sometime it takes couple of days and sometime instantly send money to your wallet.